I wanna burn, yeah, but I take it slow, yeah. I don't wanna leave.
What's good people, it's Cactus. Yo, today's video is going to be crazy. So I'm about to head over to Nottingham, which is about 2.5 hours away from me. I'm linking up with, I think there's 11 other producers. So basically we've rented a mansion for 2 nights to create the ultimate producer house. It's going to be me, Ocean, Chuki Beats, LOB, Prod by Jack, Dixon Beats, Kevin Dignam, and more. I can't even remember everyone's name right now, there's so many of us. But yeah, there's going to be some crazy cook-ups. We might be doing some challenges, and I think we're just going to plan a few more things when we all get there. So yeah, just need to finish packing a few things before I set off, and then we'll get straight into it. Dixon, the thing, man, you good?
Yeah, man, cool. I'm ready if I was you, bro. They're all going quick time.
Don't lie. Yo, what's going on?
How are you?
Yeah, I'm alright, man. I literally just got here myself. You good?
Yeah. How's the drive? Hi, Jack.
Good to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you, Gami.
Jack.
Gang.
Good to see you, man. Yeah, it's Chucky, man, bro. What's good, man?
What's good, bro?
How's your trip here?
Yo,
yes, what's good? Jay, nice to meet you. Alright people, I've just got here and the place is huge, man. It's actually split into 2 places, so we've got this bit on the left here and then the bit behind you. So I think that spot there is just all bedrooms, 6 bedrooms as well. And this bit here, I'll give you a quick talk. When you walk in, it's just a long corridor of bedrooms. I don't want to go in any yet. Wait, this is the snooker room, isn't it? Yeah. I'll take you all right the way back around here. Take you down here. Looks like everyone's cleaned the rooms. No name on that one yet, but I don't want to walk in case someone's getting changed. Ocean's definitely cleaned this room. And then we've got Eve's, and then Chucky's in there, I think. And then if you come back through here, there's the bullets on there.
Oh shit.
So this looks like the chill out spot. We've got a snooker table here.
This is like prime location for a horror movie, really, when you think about it.
And then this is where we're gonna sit if it just gets a bit too much, you know. This is like definitely the chill out spot. And then I think up here, this is where all the action is. This place is crazy. I think we've got our own bar there. Got the full gang behind you.
Wheeze.
So it looks like this is going to be the main cook-up spot. I think we've got like 4 setups. I don't know where everyone's going to set up, but yeah, man. This is what we're working with in the second place. Got the setup here. We've got Dixon Beats.
Hey.
Let me show you where the magic happens. Rooms are sick. Full ensuite. Bed's looking mad comfy. Fully stocked us up, and yeah, this is the view from outside. Bedroom, it's a crazy place. Yeah, this is crazy. Gami's skinny dipping in there later.
Bro, yes, I need Wi-Fi, man. I need Wi-Fi. But look at the scenery.
Oh, look at this place.
Bro,
oh, wait, we gotta get a selfie.
oh my god, this is a crazy setup too.
Oh, sick.
Oh my god.
And another one up there. I'm getting a few signs that this person's into hunting. I don't know what's giving it away.
Little baby one. Where the baby one at? That's how I feel, bro. I'll try to get Aaron. You just never knew how to.
I get no work to do everything.
I get it. I kind of get. Like, I'm a perfectionist, so I want to make sure that I have control of like
roll like this, maybe.
When you have people you can trust, that's like, if you know someone.
Yeah. Bristol's just like.
Might be the effects.
Ah, it's the Eco Boy.
Echo boy.
Yeah, it's Echo. You can go smart disable.
I wanna burn, yeah, but I take it slow, yeah. Sonny wanna ride so fast on a hole. I wanna ride so fast on a back down there on the arm. I'm making racks so fast and hard. So hard. I'm feeling so. I wanna back down at the arm. I'm going fast. I'm gonna stop. I'm making sex so fast and hard. So shut it back.
There's cook-ups everywhere.
It's crazy.
Find like the right effect for the vocals on this track. Should be like,
You're thinking something ambient, like washed out.
yeah, not too like let me rap over
Yeah.
this, just like cha. I just wanna go. I don't wanna go. I don't wanna go. I don't wanna leave. I just wanna go. I don't wanna leave. Ooh. Go. I don't wanna leave. and I could solve. Fighting on me, I got into my fault. I ain't on me, I don't wanna go. For the guitar.
There you go, an amp on the vocals.
Yeah.
Straight away. Yeah.
So just grab the chord.
What's that?
It's Olympus Element.
So if we want to hear dun ha, dun ha.
Oh, okay, I think we got it.
Ha.
And then that one shortened.
Yeah. Put out the gypsy for this one.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, you know.
So do that one, yeah. You know, the one you want to do, but you can move the whole thing over, so just could start that part before.
This one can start part before.
Yeah, then you can add the extra one you wanted to
Like here.
add then. Orchestral type beats, man. It's not like you, Jay.
Have we just made this loop now?
Yeah.
That's so hard.
Did it live.
Seriously?
Yeah, Jay whipped out
Violins.
Bro, I didn't even see you with them out.
Went on Fiverr and hired it all.
on, let me hop in on the 808, Scana, please. Please!
One note each.
Okay, go on, go on.
I never do this with my snares, man. This is cool.
Reminds me of
Yes, sir. Let me do it. Get your hands up.
What do you do with that snare just then? Just go to the snare.
There's a lot of room for you, big boy.